Hi, my name is Amy Otis-Wilborn, and I'm the coordinator for the DHH program here at UWM. I want to give you an introduction to your class 655, just to kind of help you start the class and organize for class. Your instructor is not me, it's Christine Parker, and she's the instructor for the class, but I'll do the introduction. There are 4 parts. The class is kind of organized. First part is launch. The second part is explore. The third part is summarize. And the fourth part is apply. The module is from Tuesday through Monday night. And so you start on Tuesday with launch. And that's a question, kind of an open question that you don't need to do the readings for ahead of time. It's just read the question and respond. Kind of gets you started on Tuesday in the module. Then the second part is explore, and it's where you do the readings. You have a book, and I think each module you read 1, maybe 2 chapters. And there may be other things posted online for you to read. Then the third part is the summarize, and that's really the discussion. The discussion starts on Tuesday, and it goes all the way through Monday night. You need to post 3 or more comments. Your posting needs to have the first post on Thursday. By Thursday, you can have it before, but you need 1 by Thursday, and 3 or more by Monday night. Then the fourth part is applied, and that really is a project that you finish independently and post on D2L. So that's really sort of the way that it's organized, and you have 6 modules. Each is about the same. So good luck, have fun, and I hope you learn.